Hey guys, welcome back. Just a quick little video here. I wanted to make a towel to hang in my kitchen for Easter. And I found these. It was a set of 3 towels at TJ Maxx. I've already made one. I'm going to make another one and decided to just quickly do a video. And then this is just a pot holder from the Dollar Tree. And I folded it in half and marked a line, and you want to fold it so that this is coming up to the edge. Alright, and then I folded this and folded it in half. I've got a ruler here marking the half just to make sure the sides and the bottom are even. Alright, so I think the best way to mark it at this point is going to be right here. I have a little piece of Taylor's chalk, and so I'm going to just run it right down the edge. I'm not sure if the camera's bringing it up, but you can see the little mark there. Now we can take the ruler out and very carefully turn it over. Now we can grab our pot holder, and we're going to match up that pink chalk line with the white chalk line. Alright, so now we're going to do the same thing on this side, matching the 2 chalk lines, and just put a pin in so it's not shifting. And I'm going to do one more pin on this side. Okay, and then just kind of roll this up so that it will fit under the neck of the machine here. And we're just going to take our time. If it's too thick, you can always put on a walking foot, or you can just manually help it along with the knob on the right side here. And then you can remove your pins. Now this has the same picture on the front that it has on the back, so if you did get off and let me see if this one's pretty good, but if you were off, let's say one side hung down a little longer than the other, like this, then you could always flip it over and hang it that way. All we have to do now is just hand stitch a button on here, and this will hang right on the stove. Alright, so I like to do this for most holidays, but I did just want to go ahead. I thought this was such a cute little towel, and it's early enough now that if you wanted to run out to TJ Maxx or Marshall's, Home Goods, one of those stores, you could probably still find these. Have a great week.